Hi everyone, welcome back to Ryan's Garage, or more specifically Ryan's Driveway. So this car's come into my possession, and it's something, you never look a gift horse in the mouth. However, just looking at the way it appears, the wheels are pretty untidy, and certainly if you look at this one here, it's quite rusted. It just makes the car look particularly unloved. I'm going to just quickly try and clean those up, and we'll just use some basic tools, no money, bit of time, and see how we get on. Okay, so annoyingly I've completed one wheel, gone to review the footage, and the camera didn't record most of it, so I'm going to do another one. That's the last one I've got to do anyway. So what I'm going to do, wire wheel, brush, and just get rid of all of these. And you can feel when they go nice and smooth. Okay, that's finished with the wire brush, and you can feel it's much smoother now. And just try and dust it all off. Make sure there's no more dust or dirt on it. Okay, now I'll show you how I masked it up. So I created this, which I just did by running masking tape, as you can see, diagonally, just touching the side wall. And that fits absolutely perfectly just on the edge of that wall. And being a bit sticky, holds itself in place as well. Or at least it did when it was new. This has been reused now, but that should do the job. Now I'm going to use Hammerite smooth silver, a bit more shake, and then just apply this. Not too much, I don't want it to run. Just check the coverage. Looking for anything I've missed. A bit more down there. That is fundamentally ready. Give that time to harden off. Try it back on the car. Here we are, just a couple of hours later, same vehicle. and looking a million times better. Cool. Well, it's not really a tip, just how I did it, but it does demonstrate what can be done very quickly and easily. And actually the total cost was, what, a wire wheel, a couple of quid, and a tin of Hammerite spray paint, about 15 quid. Okay, right, bye bye for now.